cameras are ready? All right, this is Retro Bracket 1, brought to you by Holmes Hobbies, FMS, Trio, HobbyTown, Left Hand Brewery, and Ton Tavern Market. This is Will versus Darren. Drivers ready? Watch the light. All right, the old school Tamiya Blackfoot versus the Tamiya Clodbuster. The Clodbuster takes a tumble. And it's going to give a little free ride to the classic Blackfoot. Oh boy, almost over. And creeping it across the line. Darren, the vintage Blackfoot, moving through. All right, cameras are ready. Drivers, are we ready? Watch the light. All right, this will be a good race. Oh, wow! The light is up to the wall a little bit. Reno special over here. Looks like he's going to have a big lead. Sam with a Formula One paint scheme. Moving on. Goliath, look out. Let's see if the old Blackfoot can take out all the Clodbusters today. Competition just gets tougher and tougher for this new truck. New old truck, I should say. All right. Cameras, are we good? All right. Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. All right, good jump for the Blackfoot. Oh, he rolls it. Oh, no. It's going to give a good, easy run for King Crunch there. There you go. Nice, smooth run for Chris. King Crunch moving to another Retro Finals. We'll see who's going to meet him. Is it going to be Bigfoot 4 with Kyle, or is it going to be Sam with the Renault? These are probably the two of the nicest looking retro trucks we have in our bracket outside of Chris's King Crunch. Also a really good looking truck. Cameras, are we ready? Drivers ready? Watch the light. Winner makes it to the finals. All right, good start for two trucks. Bigfoot was sliding right now. Into the second lap. Bigfoot still out ahead. And Bigfoot 4. Bigfoot finals. Kyle. All right, this is your Retro Bracket 1 Racing Finals. We've got Bigfoot versus King Crunch. Cameras, are we ready? Drivers ready? Watch the light. It's going to be a good hard charging race. These guys battle back and forth all the time. Oh, ball for King Crunch. It's going to give the win to Bigfoot. Just for a tiny mistake. Bigfoot 4, Kyle is your winner. All right, cameras are ready for Retro Racing Bracket 2. Brought to you by HobbyTown, Left Hand Brewing, Ton Tavern Market, Trio, Holmes Hobbies, and FMS. Chris versus Kyle. King Crunch versus Bigfoot. Drivers ready? Watch the light. All right, good jump for Bigfoot right off the start. Oh, let's see if he can keep that lead going. Oh, the tires of King Crunch. Gonna give the win to Bigfoot. Kyle moves through to the next round. That's a show truck versus a race truck right there. I saw one. All right. Cameras, are we ready? Drivers ready? Watch the light. Good run. Live keeps getting to the turn. Oh, they're getting crazy out there. Right up to the back. And, oh, Live is going to turn and takes the win. We are missing a tire because we're clean turns. I was watching. He never crossed the X. Alright. Cameras are ready. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Alright. Oh, where's the little going? Into the wall. I'm going to give the win to Bigfoot here. Nice easy run. Oh my goodness. And Bigfoot just across the line. Is Willie going to make it home? Woo! That's a really great thought, man. It's just like when I drive it. Yeah. Alright. Bigfoot 4 makes it to the finals. Alright. Battle of the vintage trucks right here. Make sure everybody's right. You good there? Good. Alright. Cameras ready? Drivers ready? Watch the light. Good jump to both trucks. Likely to take a little bit of a jump to Goliath. Maybe a bit of an advantage with the rear steer. So you can keep it tight. Oh no, the black looks like he's stuck. And Goliath flipping it over, making it to the finals. That's how you do it in style right there. Has a real shot to take out Kyle at Bigfoot 4. Battle of Blue Fords right here. Retro bracket final 2. Watch the light. Nice jump with the two trucks. Oh! Goliath takes a tumble. And Kyle. Always ever dominant. Bigfoot 4 winning yet another retro finals. Great job, sir.